This video brought to you by MANSCAPED.com, the global lifestyle brand that is literally changing the landscape of men's grooming. Today, Manscaped is trusted by over 9 million men for their trimmers, their hygiene products, and their boxers. This is the Performance Package 5.0 Ultra from Manscaped. I am a full-on Manscaped convert now, even at my advanced age, go figure. Inside, you will find the new Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra with the slick styling you'd expect from Manscaped. Matte and gloss black details. It looks good, it feels good, it doesn't slip. You know when a design just works and it feels right? Well, this is that. And have a listen, dude. It's powerful too. The build quality, impressive. It's got a nice heft. It feels like a proper tool for a proper job. The biggest upgrade is these dual blade heads. It's kind of like the future called and said, hey, you're going to be needing this. So you get an upgraded trimmer blade, but you also get this brand new foil blade. The trimmer blade has skin-safe technology. It features longer, wider and rounded teeth that slash unwanted hair, but are very gentle on skin. And the cutting process is positive. Say goodbye to multiple passes. And there's 3 different comb settings to fine-tune to your stubble of choice. You know when you're on a lathe or a mill and you rough a part in and then you do the finishing cut just to polish things up and get the final dimensions just bang on? Yeah, well, this foil blade polishes things up nicely at the very end, just like that. This foil blade really is the ultimate aerodynamic drag reducer. So what you're looking at here is essentially 2 trimmers that only take up the space of one in your bag. And of course, you only pay for one, so that's kind of a bonus. And once you've used this new foil blade, you are going to be gliding through life effortlessly from now on. And you really can't put a price on that. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra also has an enhanced LED. It lights up imperfections so you can target them specifically. And that means this is a tool with both search and destroy functionality built in. Civil engineers build targets, of course. I was a mechanical engineer. Have a guess what we build. If the enemy is hair, then I'd suggest that this is an awesome weapon. The LED on the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra has 2 colour temperatures, cool and warm. You can highlight those hairs, flatter your skin tone. It's personal preference, but this device is customizable like that, and it remembers where you were last time you used it, so there's no complex setup this time. The light button is also the travel lock button, so no unwanted activation in your bag. You just press and hold to activate and deactivate the lock. There's heaps of battery life. You recharge via USB-C, and the recharges are pretty fast. 3-level battery indicator, so you always know where you stand on remaining charge. And this is a waterproof device that does its best work in the shower, right? Like, you can use it dry, but it loves being wet, and that makes cleanup a breeze, and it's also a real time saver. It's IPX7 rated. Now, let's talk nose and ear hair. I'd respectfully suggest that nobody you meet today, either professionally or socially, yearns to see yours out of control. That's pretty much a given. So, meet the Manscaped Weed Whacker 2.0 Nose and Ear Hair Trimmer. It's cordless, rechargeable, and the battery delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime. This unit actually runs at 7,000 RPM. You'd never know, but it does. It's got skin-safe technology also, and an upgraded steel blade system with excellent cutting performance. Here's the new Crop Soother Ball Aftershave Lotion. Why not, I thought. If you're going to take the trouble to slash aerodynamic drag, you might as well smell nice and fresh afterwards. Crop Soother is enriched with colloidal oats. Now, I don't know what that is. I know what oats are, but colloidal oats? Not so sure. And neither are you, dude. Admit it. Plus it's got shea butter, about which I'm also a little hazy, but I know it's good, and cocoa seed butter, which I can actually do a reasonable job figuring out. It's quite nice stuff. You know, this kind of thing simply did not exist when I was a young chap. It's just one of the reasons why I love modern technology. There's also crop preserver ball deodorant. It's got aloe vera, and I know that's good, but I'm not going to draw you some diagram on ball deodorant, dude. It's a self-explanatory solution to a problem that none of us wants to have. It's also anti-chafing. This means crop soother and crop preserver are the Batman and Robin of tender loving care for your dynamic duo. It wouldn't be MANSCAPED without including 2 free gifts. First up, you get Boxers 2.0 in Midnight Bravo. These are essentially the special forces of boxers, right down to the dual pouch, which really does cradle those duals. And they breathe. They're super comfortable, they've got flat seams, they're tagless, etc. You also get the new Shed 2.0, so you'll be ready to roll for the gym or travel, whatever. It's a capacious grooming go bag made of water-resistant fabric with a leak-proof zipper. The Performance Package 5.0 Ultra from Manscaped is a complete high-performance grooming solution. You should join the 9 million men worldwide who trust Manscaped to take care of the grooming and hygiene details. Head to manscaped.com/autoexpert today and grab the Performance Package 5.0 Ultra. Use promo code AEJC to get 20% off plus free international shipping and 2 free gifts. That's 20% off plus free shipping and 2 free gifts with promo code AEJC at manscaped.com/autoexpert. Manscaping is absolutely a thing, dude. You've got to try it. Your balls will thank you.